All right, this video is if you want to connect a Bluetooth device to your Chromebook, what you need to do is click down here in the system menu or the clock area, and you should see a Bluetooth icon here. So what you do is you click on the Bluetooth option. There's a little down arrow that was there. What it'll do is it'll start scanning for devices. Once it finds your device, then you select it. And now when you want to utilize your Bluetooth device, and you just have to have it on, it will automatically connect from this point on. So if I want to view a video of any sort or listen to music of any sort, all I would have to do is visit the website that I'd want.
Today I've got a very different phone.